Hello foodies, this is DDK Recipe Books, John Ayanos, personal chef. I am having a delicious lunch today. What I am having is canned chicken, and my particular brand I do use is, of course, from Sam's Club, but canned chickens by Swanson's, canned chicken by Costco. Any good water-based canned chicken is great. I want you to drain the water off the canned chicken. I want you to put it in a bowl like this, and you can see that I made it smaller, the piece is smaller so it's not such big chunks, because it comes one big piece in the can. You drain the water off, you put it in the bowl, then you're going to add diced onion, Videla onion. You're going to add diced sweet bell peppers if you like, or green peppers, or you don't have to have them at all. You could add cashews to this, you could add peanuts to this, you could add raisins to this. Any variety, any way you want to twist it. Just keep it healthy and keep it real. Okay, so then you've got everything in this bowl, all right? And of course you have your Hellmann's mayonnaise that I told you you're going to use at least 2+ tablespoons till it's moist. Not wet, but moist. Then you have your 1 slice of Jewish rye bread. That it's the New York style salted Jewish rye bread that I get, caraway also, that I get from Hy-Vee in Oakdale. Their bread is just the best. They have so many choices. You can go crazy with it. Then I'm going to, of course, put this mixture, thin mixture, on this bread. Then put the lettuce on top of that, and that's going to be my sandwich for today. And I'm going to tell you, if you're going to be having this delicious mixture, now look how this looks, okay? I'm going to take a spoonful off for you. I'm going to put it on here. See how that is? It lays really nice. It doesn't look too wet, okay? And then you're going to put the lettuce on there, just like that, simple, okay? Go put the other piece of bread on top of that. And look at that, you've got a sandwich. Voila. Didn't take, this whole transaction didn't take 10 minutes to make. A nice, delicious, healthy lunch for you or your family, or just you, or friends, or have a dinner. Serve with a side salad, Italian side salad. Serve with some pineapple chunks. That makes a delicious side fruit, quick and easy. Don't have to peel anything. Put it in a bowl. All natural juice, no artificial anything, no extra sugar, just juice from the fruit. And you have a delicious meal in less than 15 minutes from prep to table. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for today from DDK Recipe Books, and you can purchase those directly from the author, moi, John Ayanos, at 612-859-3270, or go on my website at Diva Dish, my Instagram account actually, Diva Dish. And you can find me just about anywhere. I look forward to speaking to you, and have a great and wonderful day. I'm going to have lunch. How about you? Bye now.